Hello, it's everybody's favourite time of the day once again. Welcome to Satoshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Thursday, the 13th of June, 2024, the year of 1,000,000 transactions per second or more. Experience the best of both worlds today at betbitcoinersv.com, the best casino and sports betting on chain. Have a little flutter in private using BSV, the original protocol, and genuine Bitcoin. Right, here we go. Let's get into it. So, starting off with coin dance, let's go across the top here. We've got CoreCoin BTC, SegWit Protocol, CIA Coin, Cool Coin, Crap Coin, Shitcoin, whatever you want to call it, at $67,731. That's got a long way to fall. That's going to hurt. We've got Bcrash 444. What a joke. Fisher Price Cash. Who cares? But then we've got Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on Earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. Right, so $52. Yep, that matches the price on Preve at the top left as well. Hash rate 0.09. Let's have a look at the difficulty adjustment on BTC first. Yeah, pretty almost like just below its all-time high. That's crazy. Let's have a look at the hash rate on Bitcoin. There we go. That's chugging along, looking pretty solid there, pretty standard. Yeah, loving that. Being very carefully managed, I suspect. Network node 0.22. For anybody who hasn't seen a node before, these are they. These are the Bitcoin miners. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commoditized digital internet. Absolutely amazing, where we get to own and control our own digital information and not having to surrender it to a huge centralized corporate server that can scrape our data and use it to corral us into a digital concentration camp known as the New World Order, which is what they're trying to do to us. That was pretty good. Transactions 10.52. Let's have a look on what's on chain. So transactions were 1.8 million yesterday over the 24-hour period. Now it's just 82,000. But like I said before, there is a multi-million-dollar company tracking their supply chain logistics on the network now. So I think they would have been testing it for the first time. But watch this space. More and more will come on as time goes by. So let's have a look at the block size here. The biggest block, just a 5.2 megabyte. Literally nothing to write home about. Bitcoin hash rate, yeah, we know about that. Proof of work should all be on Bitcoin, so this graph is misleading. It's 325,000 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than CoreCoin. It's 70% more profitable to mine on CoreCoin than Bitcoin. But again, the percentage is comparative percentageness. The fact is, if you want a load of genuine Bitcoin, you're much better off mining it because you will actually get more mining it than you would mining BTC and then trying to sell it, because you would create fluctuations in the price, and really what you want to do is just mine it and keep other miners off the chain for as long as possible so you can hoard as many coins for yourself. I mean, can you imagine how sick all these miners are going to feel when they realise they've been hoodwinked and been mining the wrong chain all this time? But I mean, yeah, they're mining a chain that's what, $67,000, but you've got the 24-hour trade volume is just 1%. It takes 1% of the market to change its mind, and all that is poof, gone. You know, and you are holding a shit coin worth nothing. Oof. That's gonna be a hard pill to swallow. Questions are going to be asked. Fingers are going to be pointed. Daily average block size by network. Just BSV just down a little bit because it was up in the other day. Transactions by network. Transactions per block by network. Fees, subcent fees on Bitcoin. Look at that right down there, Satoshis, because it's on a log curve. Block reward ratio. Follow that line with time. The red line will start going up, and the yellow, green, and blue will go down. daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. The only chart you ever really need to look at. This tells you what's going on right now and what will happen in the future. Let's get into the hash rate then. Here we go. This tells you what's going on. Global hash rate 7 days. Global hash rate 24 hours. Coolcoin hash rate other miners with 2.7 on there. Bcrash hash rate other miners with 58.33. And official price cash other miners 20.14. So look at profitability again. Yeah, look at that. Much of a muchness, really. You know, there's no literally no difference in mining BTC or Bcrash at the current hash rate levels. Yeah, and then we've got Bitcoin. So look at that. Let's compare what that looks like to what's on chain. Here we go. That's 1 month, 24 hours should be the same. Yeah, we go. Look, why does this pie chart look different to that on CoinDance? Could it be that CoinDance are trying to cover up because they don't want people to know there are multiple miners on Bitcoin? You know, they're purposely doing this to try and discredit it, to keep it off the radars of the other miners. Who are just like, hold on a minute, who are all these miners that are mining this supposed shitcoin that everybody refers to it as? Dear oh dear. Let's have a look at coin carbon cap. Here we go. Metrics, blockchain growth. That is the most important one. Oh, Coolcoin just nipping this over the last 24 hours. 219 megabytes in comparison to Bitcoin. It's just 175. But let's have a look. Every other metric: transactions per megawatt hour, transactions per ton of CO2. Oh, Monero. Oh, no, Monero doesn't count there. Bytes per megawatt hour. BSV wins again. Transactions. Oh. BSV just below a Coolcoin there. Energy use. Bitcoin should be way up there, but it's just because the transactions are down. An average transaction fee. There we go. That's more like it. Check it out. 0.00, so that's a tenth. That's a 100th of a cent. 100th of a cent, and the closest one is 4x that. So they can't come anywhere close to it. Nowhere near. Crypto quant, yep, exchanges have been cashing out. Black is the USD price, purple is the exchange reserve. So why would the reserves be going down when the price is going up? That is insider trading, insider knowledge. The exchanges know what is going on. Tether weather, so it looks like it's pegged back to $1. Let's have a look at market cap. Oh, upsy downsy over the last 24 hours. Still up on the week. Hasn't quite peaked past its all-time high at the top of that spike, but it's coming. It's coming. Crazy. You wonder what's pumping the crypto market? Well, there you have it, right there. It's outrageous. Short positions, yep, same as it was the other day. The morning run, crikey Moses, look, you can get 1,297,000 Bitcoin for one shitcoin, SegWit coin. Oof. And this is BTC or Bitcoin versus BTC. Price wise there, just kind of flatlining. Let's have a look at Bitcoin versus USD. There we go. Kind of similar. You've got the market pushing up and then the cabal bringing it back down again. Releasing or selling all the coins that they've confiscated from their customers. Oof. We've currently got a market cap of $2.4 trillion. Let's have a look at BTC. Trade volume just 2.19. Just 2.19% of the market is all it takes to change its mind. That is not much at all. Good grief. Good grief. Let's have a look at this MGC Meta Game Coin. What's that done? Oh, just 2.5% over the last 24 hours. Where is Bitcoin? Down at $79, $52. $52 for Bitcoin. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Let's have a look at, there we go, volume on exchanges, liquidity, who's got the most? Changelly Pro, Hit BTC and XGo Exchange. Oof. And here we go, just looking at Terranode, just to remind ourselves, look, it's the average transactions when it was using, it did 1.04 million transactions per second and processed 1.3 trillion transactions during its testing. And the update, the last update was that 6 nodes, 1 million transactions per second for 2 weeks consistently. And look at this, this compares to the shitcoin market. What have we got there? So we'll just wait for Terranode to come on. Honestly, this pie chart is just going to have a slither for literally the entire crypto market, because the genuine Bitcoin will dominate the entire pie chart. In fact, they probably won't list it. Who knows what will happen, but we'll have to see when the time comes. Let's have a look at Bitcoin SV and the leaderboards. So we got a user here with 110% return on investment. Scally Daddley. 100% returns. Jackie Chain. Loving that one. That's a great name. Jackie Chain. 88% return on investment. We've got more with 88, 60%. So people have been doing well this week. Nice. Loving that. There we go. So that is the end of the chart show today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoy these updates, please ding your donations for your appreciation to Satoshi@Simply.com, Satoshi@Handcash.io, Satoshi at Simply.cash, Satoshi at Relasia.com, and Satoshi at Rockwallet.me. Hope you enjoyed it as ever. Be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we will see you in the next one.